This is Team presenting the grand challenge of preventing nuclear terror.
While addressing the problem of nuclear terror, the engineers responsible for the 14 grand challenges have mentioned 5 main issues. Nuclear weapons have only been around since the 1940s, but since then the materials used to make them have been produced in very large quantities. With this being said, one of the issues would be securing these materials. One possible solution to this would be putting a system in place which monitors the weapons and materials already produced. Large-scale nuclear destruction is a worry, but it is not easy to achieve. Because of this, dirty bombs are more common. These are regular bombs used to distribute radioactive materials once detonated. These types of bombs introduce the next 3 issues: how to detect them, how to make them harmless once found, and emergency response in case an incident occurs. All of these concerns make it difficult to use nuclear energy for peaceful means, and is why this problem is so prominent amongst today's engineers.
The issue of preventing nuclear terror has existed since the beginning of the nuclear age. In October of 1939, the United States began to work on creating the first atomic bomb. The so-called Manhattan Project employed over 200,000 people, and the first atomic bomb was successfully tested in July of 1945. The engineers, scientists, and workers behind the project could not have imagined the consequences that would follow. Nuclear weaponry programs have spread throughout Europe and Asia, and nuclear terror was a trademark of the Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union. Nuclear terror continues to be a problem today. Today, nuclear reactors and nuclear materials are accessible throughout the world. Uranium and plutonium are 2 of our biggest concerns. Bomb-grade uranium may be accessed through select nuclear power reactors. The burning of uranium produces plutonium, which is a radioactive hazard. It's clear that national security in the context of nuclear terror is one of the most pressing concerns in this country today.
One fascinating engineering solution to detect and therefore stop nuclear terrorism is called the nuclear car wash. It consists of monitoring shipping containers by putting them through a conveyor belt that transmits nuclei. This process takes only seconds and makes any nuclear elements emit radiation, which can easily be detected. This nuclear car wash is faster, more convenient, and more affordable. The only con of using this system is that it damages sensitive materials such as photographic film. To fix this problem, containers with materials that can be harmed in this process may be opted for a more extensive hands-on search, costing more money to the company that ships it, as an incentive to allow the nuclear car wash to be used.
So what does this all mean for us? This means that the possibility of creating and implementing a solution for this grand challenge is more possible than ever. After all, shouldn't engineering be used to create a solution for a problem that was created by engineering itself? After reflecting over what the basic definition of our grand challenge was, how this problem came about, and possible solutions to our challenge, it only seems more apparent why this grand challenge deserves the eyes of the world.